Welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. Today we have already uploaded question number 1 in the previous video. So today we are going to do the next question. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends also so that you can support us. So let us go into the video. Now next question is identify the terms and their factors. We have to identify the terms and their factors. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. We have to make a tree diagram. So first question is x minus 3. So what we have to do here, x, how many factors are there? Terms are there. Two terms are there. X is one term and minus 3 is the other term. So identify the terms and their factors. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. So we have to make this as a tree diagram. So we have to write x minus 3. In this way, you have to mention which are the factors here. X is the one factor and the other one is minus 3. This is the tree diagram and we have found that the terms are x and minus 3 are the two factors, two terms. Here x is x itself, minus 3 also minus 3 itself. So we don't have to go further. This only up to this we have to complete this one. In the second question, 1 plus x squared. In this one, how many terms are there? 1 is one term, the second term is x and the third term is x squared. So 1 can be mentioned as 1 only. X is also single term, so you can write this one. But here we have to write x into x because x into x is equal to x squared. So we have to mention this as x into x. In this way, you have to mention this. Okay, as tree diagram. So in this one, these are the terms. And factors are again this one. You can write this as x1 and this is x and these are the factors. Okay. In this case also terms and these are the factors. In the third part, question number C, that is y minus y cube. In this one, how many terms or factors are there? Terms are there. One term is y and the other one is y cube. These are the terms. And factors. What are the factors? Y is y itself. This is a factor. And in this ways, we have three factors. Y, y, y. Because y into y is y cube. So these are the factors. In this way, you have to mention this one. Now, next question is 5xy plus x7x squared y squared. Y. So, in this one, how many terms are there? Two terms. 5xy and 7xy squared. So, these are the two terms. 5xy, 7x squared y. These are the terms. So, we have to write here terms. So, how many factors are there? 5, the other one is x, the other one is y. And in this case, 7 x into y. So, these are 5x, y are the factors, 7x, x, y are the factors. So, 5x, y is the term, 5x, y are the factors. 7x squared y is a term and 7x, x, y are the factors. Now in this one, let us see how many factors are there. Minus ab is one term, 2b squared is the second term and minus 3a squared is the third term. These all are the terms. Now let us write the factors. So in this case, minus 1 is one of the factor. A is the other factor and B is the other factor. Okay, minus 1, A and B. So, how can we write this? Minus 1, A and B are the factors. In this one, 2, then B and B. 2B and B. 2B into B. 2B squared. So 2 comma b are the factors of 2b squared. And in this question, minus 3a and a. Minus 3 comma a comma a. These are the factors of this term. Okay. Next question is identify the terms and factors. So first question, we have to write minus 4x plus 5. This is the expression, algebraic expression. Now this one we have to find the terms and factors. So in minus 4x plus 5, which are the terms? Minus 4x is the one term and by 5 is the second term. So minus 4x and 5 are the terms. And now which are the factors here? In minus 4x, minus 4 comma x are the factors, and in 5 is the factor. Okay. And in second question, minus 4x plus 5y. So in this one, minus 4x is one of the term and 5y is the second term. Minus 4x comma 5y are the two terms. In minus 4x, minus 4 comma x are the factors. And in 5y, 5 comma y are the factors. Now question C part. 5y plus 3y squared. So 5y and 3y squared. You have to consider the sign before that. If we are taking 4x, then minus 4x we have to consider. And 5y, before the number sign is plus. So we have to consider as plus 5. Plus 5y means we don't have to write plus here because it's already, if it is plus, then we don't have to put any sign of plus. Okay. So in third question, 5y and 3y squared. 5y, 3y squared. In 5y, 5 and y are the factors. And in 3y squared, 3 comma y are the factors. And in D part, now xy plus 2x squared y squared. So xy is one of the term, 2x squared y squared. 2x squared y squared is the second term. So these are the two terms here. And in term first one, x and y are the factors. And in 2x squared y squared, 2x x. This is the factor of x squared, and y are the factors. So in xy, x and y are the factors. In 2x squared y squared, 2x, x, y are the factors. Okay. Now next question is PQ plus Q. So PQ is one of the term, PQ plus Q. Q is the second term. In PQ, P comma Q are the factors, and in Q, Q is the factor. And in F question, 1.2 AB, one is this one. Second term is minus 2.4B, and the third term is 3.6A. These are the terms. Now in first one, 1.2 is one of the factor, A second factor, and B is the third factor. In this case, minus 2.4 is one factor and B is the second factor. And in this case, 3.6 is one factor and A is the second factor. Okay. And now this next question, 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. So what are the factors? 3 by 4 x is one term and 1 by 4 is the second term. Terms, and now the factors are 3 upon 4 is one of the factor and x is the second factor. 1 upon 4 is also one of the factor. Okay. Now the last question, 0.1 p squared. 0.1 p squared is one of the term and 0.2 q squared is the second term. In 0.1, factor is 0.1, p and p. Since p squared it is there, so we have to write 2 times. And in next term, 0.2 is one of the factor, q and q are the other two. So these are the factors of this term. Okay. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.